Hey everyone, a couple people have asked for some more details about my battery backup sump pump system. In particular, they were curious how the auto transfer switch is wired in. So I wanted to do another quick video here, and I apologize on the delay here. Again, the switch I'm using is the 5100 series automatic transfer relay shown here. It comes as just the box, and then you have to run the wires yourself. I do believe it came with the larger wires and the wire clips, but all of the yellow wire you see here is wire that I had provided and ran. Now on the back of the lid, it does provide some wire layout detail, so feel free to pause the video here and take a screenshot if that helps, but I can also help explain it here. So again, the main voltage comes down through here, and it powers not only this outlet here, but also this wire here. This wire then comes down and comes into this top slot here, loops around and is teed in to this white wire, which comes down and is screwed on to that terminal. Again, the key point here for this is that you just need to know to wire it into this top connection. For the black wire that comes out of that, the hot, that loops down through, it's a little bit hard to see, and connects up to this black wire, which is then in turn connected down to that connector right there. So again, the black connector there, and the neutral is up on top there for the main voltage. The next one I'll cover is this outlet here. Again, this is the output that is always live. It's either pulling from the mains voltage or it's pulling from the inverter. But again, this is always hot depending on which source is being provided. And this white wire is connected up to this top connector here. And the black is going over through here and back up to there. So again, the hot and the neutral, which is always being provided. And then lastly is the inverter, and that is coming in here. And again, I just used a piece of an extension cord that I ended up cutting and pulling stripping the ends off and connecting it up directly. But that one connects into the neutral there that loops behind and is connected right up to there. And then the hot is connected up to, it's kind of hard to see, but right there. So again, those two are from the inverter. This one up there and this one down here is from the mains, and these two over here are the always live that is being kind of switched back and forth between the mains and the inverter. So I hope that's helpful. If there's any additional questions, just let me know. I will say that I'm really impressed with how well this does work. Not only does it clip or trip over as soon as the power goes out, it also goes back to the line power about, I think, 20 seconds or something after the power is restored automatically. So overall, we've had it about, I think, 2 years now, maybe 2.5 years, and we haven't had any failures. I do test it from time to time, probably once every 2 months. I go and trip the circuit breaker just to make sure it all clips over, and it seems to be working well. So let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks a lot.